And we are back. Turbo Tuesday, fast day of the week, best day of the week. Let's get it. We're hitting 5,000 followers today on TikTok, and I'm excited. Let's get it. I wonder if I have that here. Nah, I like it over here. I'm excited. I'm excited for today. What do we need? 2 hours, 20 minutes again. Collect 800 diamonds. We can do that. We can do that. Shouldn't it be too hard? Alright, let's get stuck into it. Let everyone trickle on in. Any good trades this week? There's been a couple. We've gotten out of quite a bit of profit. Any in particular that I would be looking at? I was really sad about this Euro CAD. This would have been obviously a fantastic trade to get into at the peak before it had its little dip. But we basically got spread out of our profit. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. It was very disappointing. I obviously wasn't paying attention to every single 5-minute candle that was coming across, and we got spread out of our profit. And as you can see, fucking climbed a lot. So I think I was actually asleep. No, maybe not actually. What was that? 6 hours ago. No, I was awake. Wasn't paying attention. Have you tried trading crypto? Why? Why not? Yes, I have. Meme coins, mostly. I've fucked around on meme coins when I was bored. I bought crypto quite a while ago. So day trading crypto is just too risky, and it doesn't follow enough basic market structure. It's very random, so that's why I don't actively day trade it. And I don't recommend people day trade it either. It's more of a long-term thing, because it just doesn't follow basic market structure. It's so unbelievably random. In my opinion, swing trade versus day trade. Are you asking the difference between swing or day trading, or are you saying what's better, swing versus day trading? Difference. So day trading is just intraday, so buying and selling throughout the day. So people will choose certain sessions, London, New York, Asia, to get a bit of movement. It's not always like that. You can have setups presented throughout the day at different times in between sessions or whatever. Fucking morning, Dean. How are we? Swing trading is obviously long term, so days to weeks. Setups can play out any time in between then. It's a bit more safe. Obviously, you get a bit more of a bigger picture than trying to time the market, which is never really going to work long term. There is a handful of people that can. I've been fucking around with Fartcoin futures leverage 75. Can you guess what happened? You either made a shitload of money because you got lucky, or you blew your account. I feel like that's the only kind of outcome there. So it was a bit of a gamble and you made a lot of money, or yeah, you lost it all? I'm determined to hit 5,000 followers today. Determined, with 13 away. There's no way we don't hit it. There's absolutely no way we don't hit it. Come on. We can do it. We can do it. If you're not following me, follow me. Please. Made 3K with $50 when it was a bull run and thought, this is fucking easy. Yeah. That's pretty fucking good. Another nice game today. No drawdown at the moment either. Nice. I'm in a bit of drawdown. This is the majority of the drawdown coming from this and pound CAD. We got spread out of our profits today, which pissed me off a little bit. There's not a lot of spread on this either. Like, it must have been so close. So close. P. Dunner, thank you very much for following me. One step closer to 5,000 followers. NQ. I don't trade NQ anymore. I trade currencies. God, bit of fucking chop. Jesus. Very choppy. Yeah, I don't see much here. I wouldn't trade pre-market if I was trading NQ either. So, then lost it all because I did 3K all in, 75 leverage, and it ticked. Yeah, that shit. That sucks. But I mean, that's a pretty typical thing to happen, yeah. So do you actually do anything, or does your bot do everything for you? I still have to monitor everything, monitor the news, and just because it gets me in a trade doesn't mean I can just, completely step back and do nothing. Still have to pay attention to everything, pay attention to my drawdown, constantly monitor it throughout the day. See if there's any news that comes out. It's just the initial entries that I don't need to do. Which is good. I love it. Bro, my trades have been fucking precise as fuck. Like, all 5 have happily gone to TP with less than $20 drawdown. Let's go. That's what I like to hear. Good job. Good job, Lucas. That was 6C50 at your gym too. What the fuck? Doing good. Strategy worked extremely well today, man. I haven't drank any energy drinks because my heart almost blew up. You've got to train your heart till failure. That just means that your heart's weak. Drink more. Dean, thank you for following me. Thoughts on Tory trades? Oh, mate. I think she's just another influencer selling a fucking ridiculously expensive course, and I don't know what she's doing now. I remember looking into her a while ago and I was just like, this is fucking complete garbage. Complete garbage. So, do what you want with that, in my opinion. Baddie. Bro, no. Ew. You live, you learn, and now I'm just Bybit demo trading, starting with 1K. Nice, nice. Good job. What are you looking to trade? So you can still trade with your bot with a full-time job. Yep. That's something that I do talk about in the masterclass as well. So I use H1M5, so 1 hour high time frame, 5-minute entry. So I have the ability to monitor it a little bit more, right? It's fully customizable with different time frames, different entries, stuff like that. So you can customize it to how you live, and if you have a full-time job, you can put it on, say, the 4-hour and M15. So 4 hour for high time frame entries and 15 minute for high time frame bias, and then 15 minutes for your entries. And that will slow things down a lot. It'll get you in less entries, still profitable. However, you don't have to monitor it all the time. You have a little bit more time in between trades to monitor things and, you know, slow it down a little bit. I've always used H1M5, even when I was working full time, because my jobs I didn't really give a shit about, to be honest, and spent a lot of time monitoring the charts and shit. So it depends what you do for work and everything, though. I've drank 3 energy drinks a day for past 1 year. Shit. Rookie numbers. Bring them up. See, I traded my heart to failure, and now my heart's good, right? So 2 of these, and a small one, and then 2 more small ones, right? So my heart, I probably could have gone a little bit harder, but I didn't. So yeah. Toy trades, trend lines, yeah. Trend lines are so subjective, man. Like, anyone can draw them anywhere, and it just... yeah. I don't know, bro. Just not for me. I'm not sure what she looks like. Ugh. I'm trying to learn crypto because it interests me. Fair enough. Just be careful with crypto. It's very unpredictable. You bullish or bearish? I trade 16 different pairs. I was saying that I traded 18 different pairs, but I forgot that I removed pound Swiss and Swiss yen. So now it's only 16. But I was saying for the last month I was trading fucking 18, but it's actually 16. Found that out last night when I was in a call with one of the mentorship guys. But yeah, so I don't know what bullish to bearish to what. Okay, she ain't that bad. I mean, she's not that bad, but I wouldn't say she's fucking crazy looking good. Does your bot often put you into too much drawdown? Not often, but that's subjective too. How much is too much? It's different for everyone. When I start to get into a little bit of the uncomfortable territories is about 15% drawdown. And that has happened, I think, 3 times this year. So, not really. Struggling to understand how much I put on a future based on my capital. I don't know any of the calculations for futures or anything, like the contract sizes or anything like that. I got absolutely fucking no clue. I think it's just a futures contract is it 10 lots? I don't know. I've never traded futures in my life. So I don't know, but there'll be a calculator. A position size calculator that you can use. You don't use stochastic, RSI, or EMAs. Is that what stoch is meant to be? I do. I use RSI and an exponential moving average. Among other things. You went offline on Kick. I've seen you drank 2 drinks, or is that only at night? What do you mean? You're going to see me drink 2 drinks. Or should I say, do you really think you would really have to pay attention to it on higher time frame? I mean, like, you can't, like, I've done testing, right, full auto, and you can run this and step back and let it do its thing, right? Do I recommend that? Not particularly. I recommend still paying attention to everything. Global, you know, news and fucking macroeconomics. You gotta pay attention to all of this shit. I just keep this open, like, all the time, all day. I was staring at the euro, so there was some smaller euro news, that's why that's up. But just pay attention to the news. Just have these open when you can. Scroll through it. See if there's anything there that, is red. A lot of the, when it's highlighted red, means that it's probably more important than the others. And yeah. You can run a full auto. I don't recommend it though. What's up, man? Do you trade one specific pair? No, I trade 16 different pairs. Breathe for tomorrow. Thank you very much for following me. 11 away, guys. 11 away. Breathe for tomorrow. Thank you very much for following me. Bankroll management is about 3%. Okay. I see futures as spread betting. If I placed a long on gold at 2,000 and it goes up, I pay a fee to enter and gain profit based on how much it goes up. But if it goes down, I lose the same percentage until I close the contract. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I don't know what you're trying to say with that. I'm going to join your mentorship once I've got a job again. I wish I could just jump into this. It's all good. Don't rush. Rushing is the worst thing you can do. So it's no stress. I'm not fucking going anywhere. I'm going to be here. Don't stress at all. Make sure you motherfuckers are liking the stream too. We're down bad on these, so you probably already know that. Just said you don't know futures. I mean, that's just like kind of standard trading. But don't apologize. It's all good. I don't know the contract sizes and stuff. That's what I was trying to say. I've done some demo trades with other strategies and stuff, but I like the sound of yours. Yeah. Trying to time the market, which is probably what your strategies were all based off of, was trying to time the market, like watching candles move and seeing this one go down and this candlestick pattern forming and all of that shit. It's very difficult, man. It's very difficult. Basically, you can use up to 200 leverage. Yeah. I get 1 to 5. I use 1 to 500 leverage. Fuck's sake, man. This pissed me off. Oh. So fucking annoying. And the other one was, what was it? Euro pound. I walked away. I literally walked away, right? So, as you can see, our profit target right here, it broke yesterday's high. And then I was looking at it here and it was climbing and climbing, and I was like, fuck, do I just take profit? Like, we're pretty much here. I've been in this for a while. And I was like, nah, fuck this. I'm minimizing it. We've already broken. It might retest. I'm just not going to look at it. Fucking walked away, came back, and I was like, are you fucking kidding me? I was like, stay disciplined. Relax. Who's liked the stream? Let's have a look. Alrighty. Ryder, 2K likes. User, 87. And totally not Josh, question mark. Thank you guys very much for liking. I appreciate it. Thank you. We're down bad with TikTok on views. Super down bad, especially today. Holy fuck. This is bad, man. Oh well. How much do you make a month? About 7.5 to 8% of my account. Which I don't tell anyone what it is. I got another fucking message last night asking me for money. Was doing support and resistance. Support and resistance is actually pretty good. People think it's like, doesn't work. It does. Why do you have an accent? I don't have an accent. This is how normal people talk. What time frame do you watch? 5 minute and hourly. I'll sometimes jump on the, so this is a 5 minute chart. For my bigger picture, I'll look at the hourly chart, but if I don't get, like if I can't see enough data, I'll just go to the 4 hour and max it out and get a bit more data from previous months and everything. So it's mostly 1 hour and 5 minutes, but yeah. Is the music loud as fuck? He's Australian, yeah. Made 1.5k yesterday from XRP, nice. Should always take profit. It's all good. Hey, let me help you promo your TikTok if you want. Bro, what happens when you get like 50 viewers flare? Sometimes not. Sometimes I can, like, some of the times that I've had 100 viewers, there's no flare on. It's just so fucking random. What do you trade? Currencies. 16 different currencies concurrently. You know what we need to turn back on, actually? I need to turn back on the shares, because people just spam the share button and I have to fucking turn it off. Viewers, shares, there we go. There we go. What do you trade? Yeah. Have you ever full ported and you trade 16 different currencies? Thank you, Birdchop, for the heart me and the Go Popular. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. First gift of the day. I don't know if we're gonna hit 5k today. We're down bad. We should be right. We should be right. Thank you very much again, Birdchop. Have you ever full ported? Yes. For fun, on fun accounts. Dang, why not stick to 1 or 2 currencies? So I've got a portfolio of all these currencies, right? Which allows me to risk less on each individual trade. And it allows me to, so when one pair is going wrong, a lot of the time another pair is going right. So whilst I'm stuck in drawdown on, let's say for this trade, for example, I've got 3 trades on this pair, which is, yeah, Euro Pound. So on an extension, I've gone long here, and we don't use stops, right? So we drop our risk all the way down. We scale into our positions. It's like a mean reversion, dollar cost averaging, martingale strategy. So we enter in, and then if it doesn't go our way straight away, that's fine, right? We just scale in again at a specific level, which is coded into the bot. And then if it continues to go down, we just get in again, right? But as I said, our risk is dropped all the way down, so we're able to trade multiple different pairs. So, for example, this one's not going right. We've got 3 trades on, all 3 of them. This one's kind of right. So, that one was kind of right too. So, out of the 3 of them, 2 of them were probably right. Actually, we would have got stopped out here if we had a stop there. 100%. So 2 of them are wrong. 1 of them was right. We just wait for the right trade. And then whilst this is playing out, you know, this has been in for about a week and a half. Whilst this one is playing out, all the other pairs are getting into the positions, and let's just say they get out straight away. Tick, money. That's why we trade so many, because whilst some of these are doing shit, the other ones are making the money, making money, continuously banking profit, putting it in the bank. So I'll show you this month has been terrible, by the way. This month has been absolutely fucking awful. But that's okay. So last month we did 13.93%. This month, hold on, I'm just crossing out all my money. So I take a screenshot of my dashboard. So I developed a dashboard that shows all of our trades, the drawdown that we're in, the profits for the week, the profits for the month, everything. So let me just cross out my money. So before every stream, I do this. So we're currently in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different pairs. We've banked 3.72 for the month, which is honestly not that good. And we're sitting in 5.75% drawdown, which is fine. I just, like, we always sit in some drawdown. This number doesn't really matter. Drawdown is good. If we have drawdown on, that means we are going to be making money. We just have to wait for these sorts of moves to play out. Now, this one, no, not that one. So it should be, this should have been out, and where was the other one? This one should be out, but you know, some shit fucking happened, whatever. But we've done 0.25% today. We did 0.22% yesterday. On Friday, we did 0.41%. Total for this week's only 0.46%, but it's only Tuesday. So we've got a lot to play out throughout the week, right? So it's fine. We're not having a very big month. Thankfully, we had a huge month last month, so that makes up for a lot of the profits that we've kind of missed out on this month because it's been very slow. But I mean, we're still up 3.72%. We're still in the fucking 5% of profitable traders, which is what matters. That always works for me to DCA, yeah. What percentage gain are you chasing? And August is never great. It never is. August, September, fucking horrible. Horrible. Always. It's always been like that, which is fine. I was prepared for that. Thankfully, again, we had a good month last month. The percentage gain for single entries, it's 0.08%. It's it's probably 0.9 to 0.1% now. And then for multi-entries, it's 0.25%. It's 0.25%. And I'm only risking on my initial entry 0.25% of my account. And then it's a 1.3x multiplier after that onto the lot size. This month was so good for shorts. I missed out on XRP and ETH shorts. I actually just saw something about ETH, but I think it was a little bit, I think it was old. Oh man, this would be such a good short. Oh, we didn't even break all-time highs, actually. God, this would be a good short. Just long-term. Chuck it in. What up, Mick? chilling, eating watermelon and oh my fucking God. I'm Polish. I don't want to do this. Oh, kick is fucked. I love it. XRP shorts. Yeah, you can make a bit on that. Yeah. Yeah, rip to all the people that fucking bought at all-time highs. Neither is September. Yeah, literally what I said. They're fucking terrible. Everyone in chat, take advantage. Use ChatGPT to create a very smart trading AI trading scanner. Okay. I'm missing the 1800s. Fucking Christ. Watermelon tree. Yeah, I do. I mean, I should have fucking picked up from what they were talking about. I can't say like anything they fucking say in there, otherwise I'll be banned for life on TikTok. It's fucked. We've had some pretty good nights on Kick. We could have had an even better night tonight, but I'm not hitting 5,000 fucking followers because there's nobody in here and TikTok fucking hates us. Like, bro. What do you want from me, TikTok? You know what it actually said? When I opened up the TikTok studio, it said that I was above, or my all-time performance was above 94% of creators with a similar following. I have 7 fucking viewers in here and I'm doing better than 94% of people. The fuck? Also, name me one human who... I can't even fucking say that. Is that chain link? I don't know what chain link is. Is that like some crypto shit? It's the equivalent of going out in the balcony. You guys deserve one of these ones. Okay, what do we got? So close. So close. I know it's usually hundreds of folks in here. Oh, not hundreds, but we get a few, like at least averaging like minimum 20 or 30, you know, minimum. This is dead. Like, god damn it. We'll pop a flare, see how we go. But this is the thing, the more viewers that we have when I pop the flare is the more that the flare will give us, right? So popping it at 9, we'll get nobody in here. If I popped it at 50, we'd get a shitload of people in here. It's just fucking, it's weird. It's weird and annoying. Someone said Chainlink. Chainlink is a crypto oracle. One of the most important projects in the crypto space. Interesting. Yeah, no, I don't have anything to do with crypto, really. What up, Mr. Simon? How's the market looking today? Not bad. Not bad at all. Banked a bit of profit today. We had a few unfortunate events with coming very close to our TP in a couple of instances and not quite getting there. Eurocad really annoyed me. Like, this fucking actually pissed me off. We hit our TP, but we were spread ever so slightly. So, yeah, it's fucking annoying, but it's alright. Couple of setups here. See, this is a fucking weird one. Oh, we gap filled. That's why we pushed a little bit higher. Gotcha. Makes sense. Fuck. Whatever. Might have to wait till tomorrow. That's so unfortunate. So unfortunate. It's okay. It's going hard lately. I don't know what it is. What currency pair do you trade? I trade 16 different pairs. Anyways, the charts haven't been cooking up with any entries for me this week. Damn, that's not good. Sometimes it's going to be like that. And with that 3-day event, maybe very cooked for the rest of the week. What 3-day event? The Jackson Hole Symposium? Okay. Interesting. Why would you be cooked for the rest of the week? Look at how much fucking news we have. You trade Forex. Alright, I thought you were asking me. I was gonna block you. Come on, guys. We're so close to 5,000 followers. We're so close. Fuck. God damn it. Fuck. As soon as I go to pop the flare, we drop viewers again. God damn it. Fuck. Oh, come on, guys. Give me fucking something. Let's have a look at the likes. Who's hooking us up? Ryder 2K, Mr. Simon 1.1, user 87, Birchop 26, totally not Josh 1, and user 1. Cheers, motherfuckers. But let's just go through the pairs. I'm not gonna go through all the same pairs as yesterday. It would just take me fucking forever. New trades that we got into today. US dollar yen. Oh, we got into this last night actually. At like, I think 1 a.m. It's about 1 a.m. We got into this short here. We got into it and then we sat sideways a little bit. We have come quite close to TP, but we're not just there yet. It looks like we're getting a bit of rejection off of these levels here. So, it's kind of a shit TP, but we'll leave it. Would be nice to get another entry on this one, maybe up towards last week's high. That would be good. That would be good. Whether or not we'll get it, we don't know. What pair you trade? I trade 16 different pairs. This is US dollar yen. What else do we have? Aussie dollar US dollar and Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar. So seems like a bit of movement. That was last night also. Okay, so we had quite the crash. Seems like around New York. Yeah, this New York just crashed. Aussie dollar US dollar, and I presume Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar? No, we were just extended on that. So strength in the US dollar. I wonder if that was all US dollar pairs. Yep. I guess that might have been when he was talking to Zelensky, potentially. Not too sure. That would explain that pop too. Okay. So Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, pretty large extension. We are slightly trending up in price. So this seems like a pretty good level to buy into. High, low, not really. Yeah, you could say high, low, high, low, And we could be coming up towards last week's high potentially over the next couple of days, which would be nice. So we'll have to wait and see if fundamentals allow that. On Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. And Aussie dollar, US dollar. Obviously, we've got CPI for the CAD tonight, which may bring some strength or weakness into the US dollar also. So we could see this one kind of going either way. Whether or not the pairs, whether or not the news actually delivers something substantial, we don't know. We're at a pretty good level of support here. Over the last couple of days, we've created the support. We did break yesterday's low and last week's low ever so slightly, and then we just rejected straight out of it. So, yes, we will see. But this one could go either way with CPI for the CAD, maybe. We're just sitting in chop, literally just sideways for a day, doing absolutely nothing. So we'll just have to wait and see. I think the only news today is, the only news is CPI. Oh, we got rate drop for the New Zealand dollar. How the fuck? Yeah, I do check TikTok chat. Just give me a second. How the fuck did I not remember that? Okay, so that could drive us any direction on the New Zealand dollar too, depending if they drop the rates or not. So we might see some movement in this one for institutions gearing up for their move. And then monetary policy and everything. Meeting minutes, PMI for, oh yeah, we got France and Germany PMIs, which I believe they're two of the largest economies in Europe. So that will probably be significant. And unemployment. Yep, pretty big week coming up. I'm excited. AMD for buyers, lower time frame. Okay, yeah. Yes, I checked. I'm back. What are we talking about? Hey man, what is that called? The site, forexfactory.com, and then go on to the calendar. 3 likes in the bag, nice. Nice, all right, I got stopped out, I'm going to bed. Shit, why don't you just remove your stops? All of a sudden you're profitable. Simon with 3K likes. Thank you. Ryder 2K. Stinky Pinky 400. User 87. Birchop 26. Jezza 15. Butchie Boy's in here. Mr. Silent Treatment fucking sends me billion likes every day. He's climbing up there. He'll probably be at the top. Jezza 15. Totally not Josh and user 1. Thank you guys. We need more followers. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Where are our followers? We're so close to 5,000. I swear, just because we put this here, everyone's like, nah, fuck it. Like, this is like I don't think we've ever had this little followers ever. What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you kidding me? Absolute bullshit, if you ask me. Hee hee. What up, Dell? But yeah, thank you very much for the likes. Give me this fucking... Give me the flare. Let me use my flare. Let me use my flare. I need 5,000 fucking followers. This is bullshit. I was like, there's no way we don't hit it today. And we get the least amount of followers we've ever had. Thank you, Robbie. I appreciate that. What are the main currencies you trade? I trade 16 all the time, right? So anything Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, Euro, pound, CAD, US dollar. So any of those crosses I trade, and I also trade US dollar yen. I used to trade 28 different pairs, which included all the Swiss crosses and the yen crosses, but I got rid of them. They're too squeezy. What happened to our fucking music? I can't use this fucking flare, man. Like, come on. Turbo Tuesday. I'm back. You need help. Why would you say that? I don't think that's entirely true. Robbie Black again. Thank you very much for following me. All right, how are we rolling? We all playing Bitcoin. Oh, he's gonna hate me so much. Bitcoin. Destiny. How are you? What's going on? I'm thinking of switching dollar, Swiss, Aussie dollar, yen. Isn't as volatile as I'd want. Switching dollar Swiss with Aussie dollar yen? Or switching to dollar Swiss instead of Aussie dollar yen? It's pretty fucking volatile. US dollar Swiss is a scary pair to trade. What about Swiss yen? That's something fucking crazy. There you go. Have some fun on this. Shit's fucking nuts. When it moves, it moves. How do we not get another entry? Fuck. 8.8k likes. Thank you guys very much. Coletzo, thank you very much for following me. One step closer. We're almost there. 7 more followers. 7 more fucking followers. I'm excited. Jordan.rc, thank you very much for following me. Coletzo also sent a rose. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate that a lot. Or Bro S. That's a bro. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Wait, Nocturnal Kent? Oh, he left. Fuck. Damn. I saw him. I'm deaf, bro. Yeah, good. Damn, I fucking know of that guy. He knows a guy I know. Dean saw your shit, Mick, and was like, nah. Sounds like some TJR shit, I'm not listening to it. Have you traded Bitcoin before, and how did you find it? Intraday? No, I don't think so. I don't think I've ever traded intraday Bitcoin. I've got Bitcoin, I've held it, but not intraday. It doesn't respect basic market structure, and it's very random. It's very random. So I would just probably steer clear of it unless you're trying to hold it long term. If so, basically just wait for it to dump and then fucking buy it. Or wait for it to spike and then sell it. You just got to keep in mind is how low can you go in terms of drawdown. That's the only thing. I'm just going to quickly have a look at gold. Wahab. Whoa. I don't trade gold. I apologize. We can have a look at gold though if you want. I'm not going to give you much insight though because I really don't trade it. Would I do anything here? No. Slightly breaking these highs. You could wait for a retest and then pop up all the way up to here potentially, because we've just broken. Nah. Or if it starts to reject, just treat it as fucking resistance. Slight accumulation over here. But, I mean, it looks like it's going to pop. But I don't know how gold moves, to be honest. I really don't. Tushit9, thank you. I mean, I won't say thank you for following me. What up? How are you? I'm just preparing. Thank you for following me. Thank you for following me. But there's nobody in here. Fuck. Yeah, gold. I don't really know. For my strategy right now, I would not be touching it. I would have bought there off of this, and I'd be out of it. Yeah, I don't know. It's not my cup of tea. Thank you very much for following me. Tushit9. I appreciate that. How'd you find me? Who are you? There's not many people that come in to kick, so welcome. Fuck, man. How many people want to use flares? That's probably why there's nobody in here, is because everyone's using fucking flares. Fuck. Did you mess with funded accounts at all? Or did you trade your own capital? I trade my own capital. I have fucked around with fundeds, and I have a funded account, but I don't promote them or because I don't think new traders should. Bro, I was looking at silver that whole time. I'm so sorry. I was literally looking at silver that whole fucking time. They're right next to each other. Where are you right now? Brisbane. Bro, I'm an actual, like, delinquent. Well, I mean, this is even worse. Jesus. What the fuck are you gonna do with this? This is awful. I wouldn't touch this with a fucking 10-foot pole, because I know pretty much everyone likes to scalp. Yeah. Yeah. Look at these fucking wicks. Yeah. Yuck. What the fuck? Ew. What the fuck could you even do with this? I mean, we're having contraction, so... like, it's starting to contract, so it will most likely... do that. Or do that. Or even to this level here. So... it looks slightly bullish, maybe long. Maybe after contraction, long. But again, I don't fucking trade gold. So I don't know how it reacts to anything. I just know that I'm a fucking idiot for looking at fucking silver. Do you trade gold? No. And I did see that something about Bitcoin. Is it bullish? Maybe. What do you think? Oh, Bitcoin. Oh, XRP. Imagine if I did that. Fucking analyzed XRP. Potentially. But again, what structure does fucking Bitcoin follow? Like, not a whole lot, eh? So... potentially bullish. You still got a bit of downside before a pretty strong level of support, although it does kind of seem like it's double bottoming here on the 4 hour. Slightly. So we could see like a W pattern reversal back up, but again, fuck knows, man. Who fucking knows what's gonna happen with Bitcoin? So unpredictable. What do you usually trade? Then currencies. I trade 16 different currencies. Fuck. Fuck. Ha! There's a guy in here called Jordan Floyd. What an unfortunate name. Not really, you know, I'm sure he got a lot of George fucking Floyd jokes. I don't think it's that unfortunate of a name, it's pretty normal. You know what I mean. If I were to get into currency, which one pair would you recommend me to start on? Probably Euro USD. Just because you can pay attention to, you know, all the biggest news events, like the highest impact news events are usually either Euro or US dollar. So one of those, I mean, Euro US dollar is probably your best bet. However, I trade 16 different pairs. My strategy kind of have to trade multiple pairs. You can trade less, but trade multiple. So, I mean, if you're going to use something like mine, I would, it depends on what strategy you want to use, man, to be completely honest. Valid. What was valid, sorry? What's your bias on pound US dollar at the moment? Let's have a look. I'm pretty sure I'm in pound US dollar. Yeah, I am. I'm in sells. Doesn't mean that's where I would bias towards, however. Let's have a look. So, what's this? Is this even a 23 retracement? Almost to the pip. So this big move, we basically just flagged. We've just had a flag break, right? Almost textbook Fibonacci flag break, 23 retracement. If we can't hold this level here, which is Thursday and Friday's low, which it looks like we're rejecting off of ever so slightly, we might pop again back up to last week's high, maybe flip-flop around. We have fair bit of news this week, however, so whichever way that goes will determine which way we're actually going to go. I'm currently short on it. I'm in a few trades on this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've been scaling into this for about a week and a half now. And we didn't quite we got to about break even, didn't quite get out of it. We're coming up. We might be forming a lower high, lower low, hopefully, and then we just crash back down to these lows down here. We double topped here. Pretty strong resistance level. All depends on fundamentals. What up, Sienna? 15 days until my birthday. Fuck yeah. Congrats, that's exciting. So it's difficult to tell which way this will go. Potentially short. On a higher time frame. On a lower time frame. Shit, I don't even know. We're doing nothing. If I was like a scalper, I wouldn't touch this at all. Do I need to trade New York session for that pair? No. Depends on how you trade and what your setup is and everything, but probably not. Derek Chavez, an American hero. I don't know who that is. Hello. Fingers crossed the pound drops. Yeah. Have a look at this speed. He's fucking... Bro. I didn't see this. Man, look at this bullshit. Bro. 6 points. We got spread on take profit out of Eurocard. Fuck! Damn it! And then we fucking skyrocketed. I was like, oh my god, you have to be fucking kidding me. But it's part of the process. It's part of the process. It is what it is. It is what it is. But we're only in like 5% now. We got down. I think I got down to like 2% drawdown earlier today when this happened. Like down when we were down here. And then we just fucking, and now we're in like 5. I was like, fuck. How's your day? My day was good. My day was pretty good, yeah. Just standard shit. You ain't got a clue what the fuck you're doing, mate? Yeah, you're right. Can you teach me, please? Okay. No clue. Please teach me. Please. Please! I need help. I'm secretly an extremely unprofitable trader. Never made a cent from it. I have zero knowledge. I just press the buy or sell button and hope for the best. Half the time I just get the flip a coin up. Just flip a coin. Bruh, yeah. Cooked. Absolutely cooked. Fuck, man. How? Bro, I've been trying to click this fucking thing for like half an hour. There's too many people using it. I'm just gonna sit here and spam the click button. Guys, what he's saying is he needs multiple teachers to help him. Yeah, I need like special needs. I need special needs teachers to help me. Because I got fucking no clue what I'm doing. Help! Help! Oh, getting smoked. We just hit 10k likes. Thank you guys. Oh. I legit don't understand those comments, eh? That's alright. Man. You remember the orange man, bro? Like, you never know who's behind the fucking screen. Never know. You never know. That's why we like looking at them. That's some random account. Who really gives a shit? Really, yeah. I'm a lot less reactive than when we first started, eh? Just don't really care. It's really nice though. I've seen so many people in the last couple of weeks, because I remember like so many people that come in here. I remember, and if someone talks shit especially, I will remember. So I've seen, there was this one guy the other day who was like full being so nice and saying that like, thank you for your help and all this shit. But I remembered that like a month before he was talking mad shit, saying I had no idea what the fuck I was doing, blah, 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 you know, the standard bullshit. And I remembered, and I was like, oh, for fuck's sake, like, it's just people, bro, like, people are strange. You've mastered the art of complacency. I'd hope so. But for fuck's sake, this fucking flare won't work, and how have we not hit 5,000 fucking followers yet? God damn it. Fuck. Like, what the fuck? This is the least followed stream ever we've ever had. Fuck. God damn it. What is this shit fucking music? Turn it off now. You know what's crazy? I got the weirdest, you'd think that I would be the worst neighbor, right? You think I'd be the worst neighbor, right? Have a look at this shit. Have a look at this shit. Have a look at this. How can we focus this? ORB works in London session? Yeah. I've used ORB in London. Watching from India, what up? Hold up. Hold on, I'll screenshot this and then fucking just scribble it out. Actually. Come on, scribble. Fuck. Why is this not working? Oh, right, I didn't even have the fucking pen on. Actually, what the fuck am I doing? I have a computer right in front of me. Fuck, I'm stupid sometimes. Screenshot on here. 4,995. I know. We're so close. Hold up. Alright, have a look at this shit. Oh wait, that's not it. Not El Riz! What up, Charlie? Oh fuck, no, not that. Bro, you'd think I was the worst neighbor in the world because I scream and yell and fucking carry on like all the time. But nah. You guys just don't understand. You guys don't understand, right? Just get rid of that. Get rid of that. Not that it really fucking matters. Neighbor of the month. This guy. Neighbor of the month. Too bad she doesn't live on my fucking level. I doubt she'd be saying that. The people on my level are probably like, what the fuck? Neighbor of the fucking month. Let's go. What was I just doing? Oh, yeah. Fuck. Okay. Charlie, thank you again very much for the hand hearts. I appreciate that. It's fucking super kind of you. Thank you. Not even getting the notifications you're live from Discord? Yeah, that probably will just be settings. If I'm ever in a Discord, I always fucking mute that shit. Unless mine I don't, but all the others I do. I know, 5 more followers, man. 5. What type of Subaru do you drive? I drive a Brumby. Goodbye, Tom's eardrums. Yeah, it's fucking loud. Red one. Yeah, I drive a maroon Brumby. Man, they were actually fucking sick cars, eh? Like, so they used to have the 4 seats in the back, I'm pretty sure. Am I tripping or was that a thing? Yeah. I mean, it looks factory. Like, they're all the same. What was it, a Brumby? Surely. Subaru Brat. Same thing. How cool is that? Imagine, like, the fucking 80s, like, back in my day. Being in the back of the Brumby, sinking piss, that'd be sick. I can drive a bike. Nice, nice. Back in my day, bro, it was like 22. I'm literally 36. We've had this discussion so many times. 36. Oh, I don't give a fuck. What do you mean? You're 36. Yeah. You're 22 in my eyes. Nah. Damn, Monk, how many kills you Yeah, World War II was crazy, man. It was crazy. I don't want to talk about it though, you know. Fucks in my head. I thought you were 26. Nah, 36. Do you do squads or solo? Squads, of course. Thank you very much, Iveski. Where's that from? Iveski. 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 Damn, what skin? Camo skin. Us Germans though went hard, eh? Went super hard. We did some cool shit. We're at 14k likes. Holy fuck. Mr. Simon 4.5. Butchie Boy still going at 2.6. Sienna 2k. Ryder 2k. J Hit 570, Stinky Pinky 441, Speedy 170, user 87, Birdshop 26. Thank you guys very, 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 very much. Oh my god. It's amazing. Bro, you know who? There's this guy on Instagram who, oh dude, I just love watching his shit. They were dominating? Yeah. Thank you very much for the follow too. How fucking close are we now? We dropped! God, for fuck's sake. Alright, let me find this guy. Right. You guys gotta get on this. You just went down, yeah, I know. Let me out 5. Yeah, I know, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna hop off, but followed you for future lives. Stay up, stay profitable. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. And I'll see you next time. Live every day. Hey, mate, what platform do you use to trade? I use MetaTrader 4. And thank you very much for the follow. Thank you, thank you. Bro, this guy is like, I love it. It's good. It's good. I love it. Love watching that guy. He gets shit on, but he gets so much hate. So much hate on the internet. It is insane. But he seems like a really nice guy that just wants to like make people's day better and shit and fucking whatever. But he gets mad hate. 4 more, no more, 5 more. Oh, no, we're back at 4 more. Says 5 more for me. Just on my phone. Nah, I helped, as you could see, neighbor of the month. I went and helped this like old lady move a fridge today. And it was dusty as fuck. So, yeah. Oh, we got 5 more. Fuck. 5 more followers. And if I could have popped this fucking flare. Dang. Thank you. It's 4 for me. Damn, never mind, bro. Someone keeps unfollowing. I swear. Yeah, it's whatever. It's not 4 more. Yeah, Bing strong boy. Did she say that? Ah. Well, what pairs is this? I trade 18 different pairs. This is actually Bitcoin. Ew, get this off my screen. Yuck. This fucking thing. Ah! God. Damn it. I'm into that. Yeah, we're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. So close. Oh, Kay, thank you very much for following. Now we got 4 more followers. Now we got 4 more. Can't do fucking flare. We're having a shot when we hit 5,000 too. Because that's pretty cool. For me at least. Maybe not for you guys, but for me, 5,000 to me is cool. So there's 3 more for you. Let's have a little loxy on me in fawn. Oh yeah, it does say 3. Maybe someone else followed me or some shit. Yeah, I don't know. Gotta check fucking YouTube. I don't know. Actually, quite a few people come through YouTube today. 62 people already, which is, I mean, it's not a lot, but it is a lot for me. Do you have a place to download MetaTrader 4? Chris, what country are you from? For starters. If you're from Australia, sweet. Just go to the link in my bio. So, this is Sienna, I'm on my friend's account. Okay, true. You need a broker first, right? So just click the link in my bio. I've got a broker in there. It's probably the best one you're gonna get in Australia. And you make an account, demo account. You don't need to put fucking financial information or any of that. Just make a demo account, and then you can download the MetaTrader 4 app through them. So all brokers will have their own version of MetaTrader 4. So yeah, just go in there, make an account. I don't get paid for it. Like, it's an affiliate link, but I don't get paid for it. Unless you were to open like a live account, and fucking, I don't even know the criteria for me to get commission. I've never gotten commission before, so I don't fucking know. But yeah, go there and do it. Thank you very much. Oh shit! We're almost there. And we got to pop the flare. Let's fucking go. Let's go. We're so close. And that's all good, Chris. No stress. James, thank you very much for following me. And Spider. Was that you, Sienna? I don't even know. No? I don't know who the fuck that was. One more, I know. One more. 2, it says 2 more for me. So I'm probably fucking unfollowed. God damn it. Fuck. Imagine we just unfollow you. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. 5,000 motherfucking followers. We did it. You know what fucking time it is. Give me a second. Give me a second. Where is it? The fuck? Someone's hidden it from me. Someone's hidden it from me. Fuck. What the fuck? Oh, here we go. We got the water. We got the water. Oh, fuck. That was way too much. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it. I haven't eaten today, so I'm just gonna drink this water. Oh, woo! Alright. Oh, that was way too much. Holy fuck. And you guys already know what time it is. It's time for It's Boogie Time, motherfuckers. It's boogie time. Thank you, Dean. I gotta go. Congrats on 5K, but bye. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh my god. Alright, let's fucking get it.
Crazy, crazy. It's your compliment. What's that?
Ah. 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 I bet we're below 5k now. Any money. Oh no, still 5k. Holy fuck. Busting the moves out. Holy shit. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Thank you guys. Bro muted himself. Yeah, otherwise it would have come through the speakers. I wanted to dance to the fucking music too. Hey, go Tom, our little orange boy. Bro, the moves are so far. I got some moves, brother. I got some moves. Subs and he missed. The coke dance. What the fuck you want? Nothing. I mean, that's not entirely true now, but I don't take fucking drugs or anything. It was a good shot of water. Yeah, dude. It was pretty big. It's definitely not one. Let's take a look at some trades. I want to check, just see if we've gotten out of anything. No. Euro pound's back up. Oh my fucking god, you have to be kidding me. You have to be fucking kidding me. Bro, I might even just take profit on this because this is just some bullshit. Bro, you have to be fucking kidding me. God. Fuck you. Bro, you can't make this shit up. Oh, time frame. I thought you meant like, what the fuck are you on? 5 minute for low time frame entries. High time frame, 1 hour. Sorry about that. Breathe, brother. I am. I'm trying. Fucking hell. It's hot in here too. Congrats on the 5k. Thank you very much. I got pound, US dollar, and Aussie dollar, US dollar. Yeah, I got Aussie dollar, US dollar. So it's working. Good, 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 good. I got Aussie dollar US dollar last night, and pound US dollar I'm already in, I believe. Yeah, I've already been in this, so I wouldn't be surprised if you came down here and got in longs and I'm in short. Yeah, sorry about that. Cuts Crafts and Mitchie, thank you guys very much for following me. I appreciate that. We just hit 5,000 fucking followers. That's fucking awesome. Maybe close Australia US dollar. What's up? I'm only on single entry. We're at a pretty good level of support. Still consolidating. Yeah, it's very normal. And even if it like, that doesn't matter at all. It's all about patience, right? If it consolidates for less than a day, it doesn't mean shit to us. Doesn't mean shit to us. It's completely fine. If it goes down or it goes up, doesn't matter. We just wait. Yeah, just wait. This is nothing. This is nothing. You know, you can look at this one, for example, right? We had a pretty big move down. This is our entry on the reversal. Our TP was here. We didn't really do much. Dropped down, didn't really do much. Still got to TP within a day. So, you never know. And even if it did the complete opposite and continued to crash, wouldn't matter. Would not matter. Not a lot on Aussie dollar US dollar. Swap's almost more than the profit. Shit, is it? Surely the swap fees fuck all. I mean, there's a swap filter for a reason if you want to cancel that shit out. I didn't think the swap, I guess maybe for a smaller account. The swap, I'm not too sure. It might be Vantage too. I don't know what their swap fees are like. Best way to win in online Plinko. I don't know, I've never played Plinko. I kind of want to though. Definitely want to. Fucking hell, man. That shot of water. Jesus. On an empty stomach? Fucking hell. Yeah, Jesus Christ. It's a lot. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, Jesus Christ, I went straight to my fucking head. Holy shit. What indicator do you use for your zones? Like these ones? Like the wide range bars, fair value ups, is that what you're talking about? It's my own that I developed. I'm so hungry. Where's my darts? Thank you very much for following me. What do you trade? I trade currencies. I trade 16 different currencies. Also need to change that follow sound, my boy. Yeah, it's fucked, eh? It's an absolute humiliation ritual. Butchie Boy broke the top, 6.2k likes. Mr. Simon, 4.5. Sienna, 3.2. Ryder, 2k. J hit 570. Stinky Pinky, 441. Speedy, 170. User, 87. Cut Craft, 72. Thank you, guys. Oh, bro, I'm so gonna get copyright claimed for that fucking song. So worth it, but... Woo in the big 25. What's a big 25? What? Will XRP actually boom? It's probably going to go down before it goes up. Bitcoin is going to rip in the coming year, not one word of a lie. Buy a good dip on Bitcoin and you're sweet. Yeah, that's what I was, pretty much what I was just saying about fucking XRP. Yeah, I agree. Probably will. We make monthly from trading. About 7.5 to 8% of my account per month. I don't say how much that is, but you get that. Not bad, not bad. Yeah. Fucking hell, man. That went straight to my head. Straight to my head. Jesus. Probably 50, 100 account, 5 to a month. I'm not gonna say anything. You're a bit off. Jake, thank you very much for following me. Garda K, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. After not working 9 to 5, you fuck 9 to 5s. Somebody asked me the other day, like one of my friends, fucking who was it? And they were like, do you think you're gonna go back to a 9 to 5? And I was like, what? Nope. Fuck that. Please employ me. Shit, I'm about to go to a 9 to 5. It's alright, you just gotta fucking, man, you just gotta work extremely fucking hard for a little bit, man. Just for a little bit. And then you'll be right. Just, yeah. I was lucky that I got OCD. Like, I'm lucky that I got OCD. And I get obsessed with stuff. It just so happens this is what I got obsessed with. It's not like cleaning, fucking make sure everything's sparkling clean. It's like I get fixated and obsessed with stuff, so. I just got a job with an employee company that gives me random shifts second week, and they're giving me heaps of shifts, just saving up for a bankroll for trading memes? Do you think XRP will finally go up? Didn't it just go up? Do you trade meme coins or just currencies? Currencies. I have fucked around on, like before I started the community, I was real bored and jumped on pump.fun for a couple of weeks. But I got smoked because, yeah, I didn't know what I was doing. I was just fucking around and I was bored. It's basically just gambling, which I understood and was happy with. Like, I don't really care. But I wanted to see how that whole thing worked. Meow. Yeah, 100 if you're a noob. Yeah, if you know trends and locked in, it's free money. True. Okay, that's not very nice. You've upset me. Oh, what do we have here? Meegsy with the heart meat. Thank you very much, Meegsy. Shit, you missed out. Kate, I'll give you an ooh, just here smoking a dart. Dude, I'm not even kidding. I was just like, do I go out for one? I was about to. Afternoon. We hit 5K. And we had a bit of water. And we had a boogie. And it was fun. Yeah, you missed the dance. You'll have to go to Kick if you want to rewatch it, but it's not that interesting. Special water, holy water, it is holy. It's polar opposite. Yeah, holy water. Just kidding, nah, it's all good. Yeah, we hit fucking 5,000 followers. It's just so exciting for me. I just need to post more shit on TikTok. Like, I really just need to post more shit on TikTok. If I did, if I posted more shit on TikTok, I'd probably have fucking 10, 15K. I post like once a month. Holy shit, I didn't post for like 2 months. Yeah, I gotta post more shit. But like, what the fuck do you post? I was like, there was this clipper that said he was gonna do the clipping for me. And I was like, all right, I'll pay certain amount of money. Like after you did it, I already have a fucking course. After he posted like 1 or 2 days worth of shit and then was like, I'm not doing this for free, send me the money. I was like, come on, brother. I don't even know who the fuck you are, just some random no-name account that hit me up. Like, do the work, I'm obviously gonna fucking pay you. Am I wrong by that? I don't know. Good morning, what up, Eamon? I'm back. What up, Sienna? You're the type of dude who talks like he gets all the birds and really can't impress one. I'm crying. You're so true. You're so true. Dude, you're so true. Oh my God, I've never heard such a true statement. Where's your face? What do you? Oh wow, you have a girlfriend. If only these people knew. Tom, can I work for you? Yeah. Not what your mom said. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, bro. People are just so... I love it. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. We're in too good of a mood. Straight up. We're in too good of a mood. That holy water got you feeling blessed. Amen. Squat down, say a quick prayer. Nah, I'm not gonna go that far. But yeah. Where are we at? I bet Digger squats down for his... Wait, what chart are we on? Aussie or US dollar? Bit of resistance coming in now. Sideways chop, eh? Oh, that's what I was meant to look at. Euro pound. Nah. I don't care. You're coming off. I don't care. Pretty much there. If we don't break this, I'm just gonna be annoyed. There is no other comment. And thank you, I appreciate it. Oh, happy days. Nah, it's not the edge. TikTok probably removed it. You have to write it again if you can be fucked. But happy, we just hit 5K followers. It's Turbo Tuesday, fast day of the week, best day of the week. There's no... We don't care for unhappy shit. Everything's good. That's what it said. Hey, nah, that's all good. That's all good. No stress. Can you teach me something? Ring-a-ding. It's the fart coin king. What up, Jack? Thank you for reminding me. Melbourne Brizzy. I'm Brizzy. I might actually, fuck. Do we keep going for half an hour? I don't know. Probably not. We're dying off pretty hard. I might get off. I'm dying. Why? Oh. Xander. Did I tell you about that? The fuck? It's... So the way that I did it was because I knew heaps of people. And heaps of people that were around that sort of stuff. I didn't really do marketing or any of that. It was kind of just like word of mouth for the people in that sort of industry. We could have a look though. We could have a look. I don't know if it's still a viable thing now. It's probably very cutthroat at the moment. Like I feel like so many people would be trying it, but I mean, yeah, we can talk about it a bit later. Oh. One of my best mates asked me out and now things are very awkward and I don't know what to do. I mean, if you don't want to, reject and move on and everything will be normal eventually. If you don't want to reject, don't reject and see how it goes. But yeah, I mean, that's making a shit ton of money, right? I did pretty well. Yeah. Not trading money now, but I did pretty well. Ghost them. Yeah. Shut up. Okay. I've already been rejected and I moved on, but he hasn't. And he hasn't talked to me in a week. Yeah, let him go through his emotions. It's okay. He'll be back. This motherfucker. Bro, there's no way. What the fuck? Strange. Chill, motherfucking whale. What's good? We good. We good. We just hit 5,000 followers. We just hit 5K. Which I'm pretty sure you're well past me. Oh, no, you're not. You got a lot, though. No, but for a side hustle, it's pretty good, right? Yeah. If you can get enough people, yeah, absolutely. Why is you live streaming so entertaining? Why tell me to shut up then? Moving up the coast over this cold weather in Sydney. It's been fucking cold today. I don't know about down there, but I do not blame you. Just get a lot of money into trading. Well, that was kind of like part of what I did too. So yeah, but it was very easy because I knew a lot of people. Like, it just kind of landed in my lap. I didn't really have to do anything to go and find the people. That's the difference. I don't know what it would take to actually go and find those people. And it was very fucking sketchy. And it's not good for your mental health. You will literally, it's a horrible, 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 horrible industry. I would never, ever fucking do it again. Ever. But, I mean, yeah. If money's more important, then go for it. But it was it was shit. Congratulations, mate. Thank you very much. It's 30 degrees here. Fuck, I wish. You're so entertaining. Thank you. Is meme coin good? Probably not. I haven't been on live for over a month. You're doing well. Consistency is key. Thank you. Well, the consistency is not fucking helping us right now because we've had 952 people come in, which is usually a terrible stream if we've only had 952 people come in with the first hour. So it's pretty bad. We've been live for 2 hours. But I show up every day, regardless. Doesn't matter. So, yeah. I don't need another side hustle. Yeah. Stop swearing. I try. Not the best at it. I'm a lot better than, like, on here compared to in real life. You know, I'm pretty bad in real life. Very risky. It is very risky. Very, very risky. What do you trade, broski? What up? Forex currencies. I trade 18 different currencies. That's not true. What's not true? Real life. Yeah, I know. Bro, when I said it, I was like, this is real life. But, I mean, not when I have to watch what I say. If you know what I mean. Well, at least you're trying to stop swearing. I respect that. You're not worse IRL off stream. You reckon? Man, there are lots of words. I mean, talking to you would probably be different, but if I'm with the boys or whatever, it's so bad, man. It's so bad. Like, I would be cancelled for the rest of my fucking life if I said some shit that I say with them. Like, fucking on here, man. It's so fucking bad. You're improving, clearly. I try. What have you got? 2 hours. I would get 5 life sentences. Yeah, I feel that. Man. Well, thankfully we got out of this because we're not really doing anything, eh? I sell CAD. I know we got out of that straight away. It's only US dollar. Not doing shit. Fucking hell, I feel weird. That was nice in and out in your USD. Derek, thank you very much for following me. I know we took full TP on that. Yeah, we took TP on that last night too. I'm profit on this, but not far enough for me to take anything. Did any crypto people drop by lately? Yeah, all the time. You teach? Yes, I do. I have a mentorship program. The link is in my bio. How stupid of me. For day trading, of course. Wait, what was the question? Sorry. For day trading, of course. Currencies. I don't know if that was the question. If you sent something right before that, it probably got filtered out by TikTok. Bought microwave meals, but we sold the microwave to my sister. Oh, right. I was like, what? How soon are we? What? Derek, again, thank you very much for following me. I was so confused, but here's resolution 711. Yeah, 711 works. Fuck, man, my brain went super slow after all this holy water. Not that I had much, but no food. Fucking makes you a bit slow, eh? Yeah, the crypto fam, super loyal. Yeah, I wouldn't say the crypto fam is super loyal. I think they're all a bunch of pieces of shit, to be honest. They're all fucking rug pullers and shit. Most of them. I wouldn't say they're super loyal. Fuck over everyone. Man, I remember being in this, I was in this Telegram group, right, when I was fucking around with meme coins. I don't know how I stumbled across it, right, but I stumbled across it. And there were fucking thousands and thousands of people in this Telegram group, and I'm sure this happens all the time, right? But what happened was, oh, fuck, man, I need to oil that shit. What happened was they obviously did multiple drops, right? But they would keep getting more and more and more people coming in, and I came in on like the second or third drop that they ever did, and this music, please. Hello, what the fuck is this? What do you mean, fucking farm in Alabama? And so I remember getting in this call with like fucking a couple thousand people, right? And there was one announcer about to announce the CA or whatever the fuck it is. I can't remember. It was so long ago. It would have been like almost a year ago. And he was about to announce it, and fuck, there was thousands of people in this call, and then they dropped it, right? And I looked into the previous drops that they did, and they rug pulled them all, but it was like everyone forgot about it. It's like, what the fuck? Like, it was super weird. And So I didn't buy into it. I just waited to see what happened, right? So coin went fucking nuts, right? Bunch of people poured in. They said they were allocating like hundreds of thousands of dollars towards this project and all of this shit. And they dumped it within like, I think like 2 hours. And they just continuously did that. Just got more and more people to come into the Telegram and all of this shit. I might still have... Let's see if I'm still in this fucking group. Oh shit, I don't have the... Where's my fucking... I don't have Telegram still on here? Yeah. Oh, there we go. Nah, I must have... Oh, wait, no. No way they're still doing this shit. Bro, no way. Dude, I hate this fucking song. Look at this shit. It's only got 6,000 members now. They must have fucking left, but... Oh, you guys probably can't even see it. Yeah, whatever. Not my community. Memes are just junkies. Just the junkies of Trading View will switch up for a cheeseburger. Yeah. Most are not about holding, just take 2x. Yeah. That's memes only 0.1%. Oh, good. Yep. I mean, can you look at ad? It's a stock. Is it bullish? I don't have anything to do with stock, so it'd be not, I wouldn't be able to give you any insight. And Bryce, the exact same thing. Yeah. I only do currencies. I don't rug my tokens. Got listed on Forbes, so need to be Really? The fuck? How do you come up with your list of stocks to analyze? I have a list of currencies that I stick with and I've stuck with for a very, very, very long time. Years and years and years. So, yeah. What was that buzzing sound? Is there a buzzing sound? What group? I'm in most. Hey, what? Here he is. What up, Cross? Guess what? We hit 5k followers tonight. I'm excited. Happy. Sorry to nag. I promise to remind you, practice Russian. Got 3 minutes? Question mark? Meow. We got 10 minutes. What am I even doing right now? 60, okay. Hat and mustache is lit up. Chill whale. Chill motherfucking whale. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Chill Whale. I appreciate that a lot. That's awesome. We're having such a good fucking day today. What you got planned for the rest of the night? What's the time? 49. Fuck, not a whole lot, eh? I did a lot today. I did a lot last night too. And yesterday. I've been brainstorming. Thank you very much, Chill Whale. Take it easy. I've been brainstorming. Maisie, maybe you can help this. And there's actually something that I need to set up and kind of like announce, sort of, for the mentorship guys. I don't want to. So this is a thing, right? So I don't know if I should promote this thing that I have to people that aren't in the mentorship, because it kind of goes against what I'm about, right? So basically what I've kind of, so Black Bull, right? I've spoken to Black Bull, and so basically they can't tell me about anything to do with, because I've never got commission from Black Bull, right? Ever. And so we've come to some form of thing, and they're doing some stuff where they can verify who the actual people are that have used your links and allowed you to get commission, right? So what I'm going to do is basically give a free month away to the people that, because people use the link anyway, right? To the people who have used it. And but this is the thing, right? Like, if I get commission from that, I'm just gonna give you the free month, right? But the thing is I don't want that to be like an incentive to come in, because what that means is what you have to do, right, is you have to make a live account, you have to deposit money, and you have to make a trade. So if I'm doing that and people are depositing money and making trades where they don't know what they're doing, they have the risk of losing money, which I don't want, right? Just to get the free month to get in. So it's like it's like, yes, that's a good incentive and people will come in, but it's the shit that I'm against. It's the scammy shit that I'm against and don't want to do. So it's like, fuck, how do I navigate this to be able to give people the opportunity to get in at the start, you know, like just to get in without putting them at risk. It's just like such a fucking, I don't know what to do. And I also want to work on a couple things for making everything more interactive, right? Because no one says shit. Nobody's motivated. Nobody sells shit. So I gotta think of stuff. Thank you very much for sharing as well, Chill Whale. I appreciate that a lot. We got a lot of people coming. Has he just done something fucking... What has he done? I don't know. Thank you anyway. It's hard because it will help promote you, but then, yeah, you'll get the bad side of it because of the risk of them losing money. Yeah, I know. It's like a moral dilemma, because I want more people in. I want the community, you know, people coming together and fucking, you know, talking to each other. When they sign up for the bot, make them sign up for the Black Bull. Yeah, but I mean, but it would be an incentive to get in. That's what I'm talking about. So the people that are already in, right? I can just give it like you and Meegsy, like I mean, if you guys used it, but that's the thing. Like, then you'd be pressured to get the live accounts. You get the free. It's just, I don't know. It's just a moral dilemma. I don't want to be a piece of shit. I don't know if it's like, I feel like it's an okay thing to do because it technically helps you guys, but at the same time, it might not help you guys because then you will use it too quickly and fuck. I don't know, man. It's shit. It sucks. Alright. Did you do London opening? No, not anymore. I'm very new, but I want to learn. Do you recommend any YouTube videos and tutorials? If you're brand new, go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio, and then watch the Trading for Beginners video that I have. Go watch that. Let them install on Black Bull and get it running on there. If they like it, they will get a 1 month refund. Wait, what? If you use Black Bull, you get a 1 month refund. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the shit thing about this stuff is it's literally just me. Like, it's just my brain. It's hard to look at like different angles of stuff. So I need to be asking all you guys in the mentorship for more feedback. Which Apple website is best to day trading? I prefer MetaTrader 4. You can use TradingView. MetaTrader 4 is a program. TradingView is a website. I'll send a DC. Easy. And you made it. You were number one. What do you mean? I'm number one. What? Fuck! You know what I just realized? Did no one want to say anything? Bro, give some learning. What do you want to know? Wealth mindset. Love hearts to you too. Gold analysis. Hello, bros. Damn, holy fuck, we got a lot of viewers on this stream tonight. Wonder why. Too bad I was sitting here on fucking my face cam for half the time. Jesus. An idiot. Too much fucking holy water. Yeah. Disgusting. I'm gonna jump off in a second. If you're not following me, follow me, motherfuckers. If you're not in the Discord, jump in the Discord. Links in my bio. If you want to actually learn how to trade and not be a complete loser for the rest of your life, get in the mentorship now. If anyone has any other questions, chuck them through. I'm predicting a comment that's coming. Yes, I knew it. Love the fairness, fair king. Keep it up. I knew it was coming. I spotted the fair king. Oh god, look at the fucking shoulders on this guy. Look at the shoulders on this guy. This is my bad shoulder too. This one's fucked. Bursitis, steroid injections into my shoulder to make it okay. Alright. TikTok says you're creating something unique! Exclamation mark. I'm not a fair king, Mauritanian peasant. Yes, well, I call you fair king. You are fair king. Take it and leave it. That's what you are. Who you are, sorry. All right, guys, we're going to jump off. I'll be back live tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I think we're actually quite early today. We were early. We were 5 minutes early. See you later, Xander. I'll be in Discord if you guys need it. See you next time, Fair King. Thank you very much. See you next time, too. I appreciate all of you, and thank you very much for all the likes. We hit 27,000 likes. I think I got to say thank you. Simon 7K, Butchie Boy 6.2, Sienna 5.3, Ryder 2K, Xander 1.2, Jesus. J Hit 570, Stinky Pinky 441, Fair King 433, 3 Alchemy, what up? I don't think you're in here, but 429. Let's see. And yeah, thank you guys all for the donations and 5,000 motherfucking followers. That's big for me, so I appreciate it a lot. You guys have a fantastic evening, and I'll be back tomorrow.